Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am filming on my mother's computer. It's so cool. That's why I'm in my living room. Pictures me back there. Today I'm going to be doing a fidget review because I got a whole bunch more fidgets. Okay, let's get started. Wait. But before we get started, you subscribe, subscribe. And turn on those post notifications. Because if you don't do that, then I don't get no followers or subscribers. So, anyways, let's get into the video. I'm just gonna be randomly picking fidgets out. So, you guys remember her. You guys love her. The famous unicorn squishy. But she kind of got a little rough and up and got injured. She got injured. She got injured. You know what the squish is like? I really like the squish. Yeah, I rate her like a 9 out of 10 maybe. I'm gonna go for a poppet. Deep down in the 7 seas. Oh, a unicorn LOL poppet. The pops are kind of loud. I do like it. Solid 6 out of 10. Let's see. Next, I got a monkey noodle. Why did it keep going there? It went in my mouth. Ew. Monkey noodles taste gross, especially if you use them. Monkey noodles are fun to play with, but I don't really use them that often. So like a solid maybe 5 out of 10 or something. Oh. People call these bike chains. I call them twisty things. My finger's stuck. Anyways, they're kind of fun. I'm going to stop reading them. I'm just going to show you guys them. Next, I got a rainbow poppet, and I really like this. I just really do. It's my favorite fidget. Next is a popsicle poppet. I love this one so much. I wanted the one with ABCs on it, but that one was $20. This one was only 10. Poppets are expensive, bro. I went to a Rochester fair, and guess what? There was poppets there, huge poppets. They were $30 freaking. Really? $30, bro? Like, come on. Yeah, I got this. Are you guys liking the new video area? I know back here, I don't like it. It's a living room. Oh, over there is all my medals. So I have 5 medals. I have 6 trophies. One's from baseball, and 5 of them are from cheer. And when did I get one? I didn't get a trophy when I did my first year cheer because I was on a mini team, and we didn't get trophies. So, but I've been doing cheer for 6 years, almost 7. Next is this flower dimple. I really like it. Oh, the colors on here look very pastel. Like this blue is like a teal, but on the camera it's like a baby blue. I really like this one. I rate this like a solid something. I don't know. Next is this little squishy dude. I just found him at a Dollar Tree when I went Dollar Tree fidget hunting. I only found this and another thing in there. I'll tell you what it is. It's just squirmy, and you can squeeze him, stretch him. I just really like him. It's very satisfying. It's like a puffer fish. Ready, guys? Ready? Oh, that's cool. really like that dude. Oh, another purple fidget. I have this purple cactus, and it glows in the dark. I take you in the dark. Maybe it will work. Hold on real quick. It's not really working with the lights off, but yeah, it glows in the dark, and I really like this one. Now I'm turning the lights back on. I know, guys, you missed me so dearly. When for me, you guys saw me in a split second, but for me, I missed you guys so much. I had to turn the light back on. I'm thirsty, so I will be right back. Hi guys, I'm back with my hydro flask and my Elastigirl and some Skinny Pup. Skinny Pup popcorn? Am I serious? Smart food, because I'm smart. I do my schoolwork other than my brother. Okay. Ooh, my putty! I had putty. Some weird girl traded it to me in her class. I can open this. Her name is Anissa. So this is a putty. It has these weird specks in it. I think they're like foam beads or something. It color changes to green, so I think I'll pause it and wait till it turns green, and I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so it's been like 5 minutes, I think, and it still hasn't turned green. I'm kind of getting worried. Sorry, I just got an alert. Okay, you guys know if it starts turning green. Okay, it's been like 10 minutes, I think, so 15 in total. It's turning green a little bit. I'll let you guys know when it fully turns green. I don't know what's up with this putty. Finally, I got this green. It's like this nice putty stuff, and I really like it. I use it during school so much. Like I just squeeze it like this while I'm sitting at my desk. I just squeeze it. So it's really handy for school, and it's very quiet. So it's a nice one, except for the container. I had to get a new container. The container that the girl gave me had cockroaches drawn on it, and I was just like, does that mean it's like cockroach slime or something, or putty? I was just like, yeah, no, I want a different one. I want a different one. So yeah, so much more fidgets. We're gonna go fast now. Oopsie for turtles. Now, I have this, like, I think it's a cat corn, a kitty corn, or these both. It's really big. I had a strawberry one, but it popped, sadly. I'm just gonna go flying back. I have an elephant poppet, heart poppet, bear poppet, another heart poppet. Oh wait, that's like blue one. That's blue on here, and then green on. What the? That's odd. Pink poppet, Among Us puppet, a head of a bear squishy because I decapitated it. Mini cupcake puppet. What? This is like a dark blue color and it's never mind. Cat squishy. Smells like chocolate. This is the purple little dude I showed you in the beginning. This is her son. It's a monkey noodle. I think it's a puppy one. It's a little puppy monkey noodle. It smells like pizza. Never mind. And this is the squishy like little purple things newborn baby. Trying to get as many out as I can. A green little twisty thing, milkshake poppet that glows in the dark, green monkey noodle. This foam stuff. This is once again like that little squishy dude I got from Dollar Tree. This is one of the Dollar Tree Hunt fidgets, so I thought it was a fidget. I haven't used this in a while. It smells like my Bath and Body Works lotion. Oh my god. I'm not sure if, can you guys see that? If you see those, that's like the color sticking to the bottom. That's not supposed to, it's dyeing my hands. It's dyeing my fingers. Charlie bit my finger. The phloem bit my finger. I don't like that stuff no more. I'm gonna scam someone for you. Someone might actually like that. Good offer. Just grab all my Pop-It. 10 by 10 Pop-It. Butterfly Pop-It. Bear Pop-It. Pineapple Pop-It. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Minnie Mouse Pop-It. Octopus Pop-It. Fake Simple Dimple. A real Simple Dimple, and I'll show you the brain. It's a real Simple Dimple. Look. Pineapple or whiskey. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Two marble and meshes. Rubik's Cube. I lost my infinity cube, guys. That's sad. I have 18 mochis. These 4 monkey noodle. A popped DNA ball. Pizza pod. Fidget pad. And I lost my ink brush. Also, this is the other newborn baby too squishy. I'll show you the family. Hold on. Let me get the family. I'll show you the family after. Hold on. Let me put all my fidgets back in the bin. I'll pick that up after the video. 2 fidgets went down. That's sad. So, Mommy. This is Mom. This is Mommy. Teenage son. Newborn. Here, hold on. Newborn baby boy. Newborn baby girl. And the dad passed away. It was, the name was Bob, a blue monkey noodle. Oh dear Bob. Anyways, I guess my favorite fidget, I think you guys, here, I'll give you a hint. It took 15 minutes to turn a color. It has a weird girl in my class gave it to me. And cockroaches on the container, so I got a new container. Does it ring a bell? It has pink balls in it, which I don't like. Does anyone know? Type in the comments if you know. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're right. If you got it right, give yourself a pat on the back. And if you haven't liked the video yet and you were right, like it so I know that you were correct. Because if you're a fan out there, if you're an OG fan from this video, then you know that it was this. Okay, and I'm going to do a little quiz at the end. So, whoever's an OG fan, if they get this right in the comments, you might be getting a prize. Might. M-I-G-H-T. Might. I'm not saying you will. You might get a shout out. Maybe. I'll give you a shout out. But, yeah. Anyway, let's see. Let me think. What were my 2 little hamster's name. R.I.P. Can't. R.I.P. Let me pause the video real quick. R.I.P. Okay, if you heard that, let me know. Anyway, if you're an OG fan, you know who they are. Rest in peace. I love them so much. Their birth story was amazing. Anyways, and one more thing. If you don't get that right, I have one last thing for you. Think of it. What was my first ever video? If you're an OG fan, you should know my first ever video. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys liked this video so much. If you did, share it with your friends. Share it with your family. Make some friends at school. Send them to your besties. Send them to your grandparents. Just to give me some subscribers, because I love you guys. And I need more of them to love. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a good day. And peace out. JJ out.